Mercedes SL550, a 2007 model year. We are going to make this steering wheel look brand new again. We'll replace all that old worn out leather on it. We'll replace the wood grain sections. They are all cracked up. As you can see, there's one pretty obvious crack right there, but there's cracks all around. And also the color's off just a little bit from his interior. So we're gonna take care of all those problems for him, make it look like brand new again. We're gonna put it through our transformation and we will take a look at it after it's completed. Look at this 2007 Mercedes SL550 steering wheel that has been completely restored back to factory new. Of course, we got the new leather on there, gorgeous finish to that, and then the wood grain that just looks amazing, because that's how we do it here at Craft Customs. Any steering wheel, any make, year, or model from 1922 all the way up to the current model year, we work on them all. Just give us a call or reach out to us at craftcustoms.com, 214-564-1170, where you're gonna love what you get, we guarantee it.